This might be what you are suffering from if you have snapping knees. It must have happened to you at some point in time. You're sitting or lying on the sofa, and when you pull up your legs, you hear a loud snap, crack, or pop. If this happens only very occasionally to you, it's not something to worry about. However, do you hear this snap, crack, or pop on a regular basis? Then it's important to discover the cause and to find the right solution. Today's video will discuss, do you have snapping knees? This is what it means, and how you might fix it. Having snapping knees for a longer period of time could be very bad for your health. Snapping knees. Researchers from Baylor College in the United States did a study among a large group of people who regularly had snapping knees. The research showed that 75% of these people had osteoarthritis, which means their joints were wearing. Besides this, the study also showed that people who sometimes have snapping knees are twice as likely to develop painful arthritis within a year. This doesn't sound very pleasant. Luckily, there are a few ways you might be able to reduce the risk of getting osteoarthritis. Reducing. Luckily, all is not lost when you have snapping knees. There are a few things you can do to make sure the risk of developing osteoarthritis, or regular arthritis, is as low as possible. For example, it could already help a lot to exercise, or at least be active every day. This can be done very easily by going for a bike ride, or a walk every day. Squats and lunges can also help to keep the knees flexible. Are you about to start a heavy workout? Then it's important to do a good warming up if your knees snap regularly. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in the comment section below.